Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter, your engine air filter of a Mercedes-Benz C180. Let's open the car hood and have a look. If you're standing in front of your car, at the left side, there it is, the air filter cover or air filter case. We will need a socket wrench with a nut and a bit with torques. And now we have to unscrew the top screws of your air filter case. This is the top side and on the bottom side. Rotated anti-clockwise. Yeah, easy going as you can see. Let's open and extract, maybe extract. You do not have to extract them all. You only have to unscrew the screws on top. Now, it's important. On the left side of the engine cover, you have to disassemble it a little bit. Only pull it up until it comes out of the locks, and then you are able to open the air filter case a little bit more, and then you are going to extract the air filter. You have to pull it a little bit up and then pull it to your side and extract the filter easily. Yeah, godlike, as you can see, easy going. Easy to extract and, of course, easy to assemble. Take the new air filter and you have to clean the air filter box before you reinstall the new filter. But there it is, the new air filter. The yellow side is down and the orange side is the upper side of your filter. Now, assemble it, push it back in position and have a look that the rubber on top, the orange rubber is matches at all sides. This is important. So press it down a little bit, have a look on all or each sides you have to look, and if it matches, job's done. Then you have to place the air filter cover back in position and tighten the two screws by using your socket wrench with a nut and a Torx bit. Tighten it not so hard because the air filter cover is made of plastics. Take care of it. Oh yeah, rotate it clockwise until it matches. Good job. Yeah, tightened well. Now push the engine cover back in position. Only push on top of the cover and then the cover is assembled again. Good job, easy going as you can see. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and see you next time. Good job. Soon.